Hello everyone! Welcome back to Device Doctor. In today's video, we'll show you how to perform filtering and head cleaning on the Epson L5190 printer. If you're experiencing print quality issues, this guide will help you get your printer back to its best performance. Stay tuned as we walk you through each step in a simple and effective way. Let me know if this works for you.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, we'll perform a nozzle check to identify which colors are not printing correctly and determine which ones need filtering. This will help us pinpoint the exact issue and ensure that our printer is back to delivering top quality prints. As you can see, all the colors on this printer are having major issues, and the printout is almost completely blank. This means we need to do a thorough head cleaning and also filter the dampers. So let's get started and fix these problems step by step. Now, we'll open the top cover of the printer and use a screwdriver to keep it upright. This way, we can easily access the printer head and perform the necessary maintenance. We'll remove the printer head from its cover. First, we need to take out the dampers to access the head. It's very simple. Just pay attention to the video. Now it's time to detach the printer head. This is a simple process, but be careful not to damage the printer head while doing so. Remove the 3 screws from the head, and then use a pair of tweezers or a small tool to carefully lift out the printer head. Disconnect the ribbon from the head. See? We were able to remove the printer head quite easily. Now it's time to clean the head. To clean the head, you will need a large 50 milliliter syringe and 2 containers, one with some toilet cleaner and the other with warm water. Now we'll draw 2 milliliters of toilet cleaner and 1 milliliter of warm water using the syringe. For this task, 2 people are needed. Now, the first person will insert the syringe nozzle into the head's nozzles, while the second person pumps the syringe to flush out any clogs. Remember, this printer has 4 colors, and the head has 4 nozzles, so make sure to clean all of them. Be sure to hold both the syringe and the head firmly while pumping to avoid any issues. Once all 4 nozzles have been cleaned, pump warm water into them once more to flush out any remaining residues. A very important point to note is that the ribbon port of the head should not get wet. Be very careful with this part, as moisture can short-circuit your head. Now, we'll gently clean the printer with a soft cloth. Be careful not to wipe the area where the ribbon connects, and make sure to do it softly and slowly. Now, connect the ribbon to the printer head and place the head back in its position. Then secure it by tightening the 3 screws. Now we'll place the dampers on top of the head and filter them one by one using an empty 50 milliliter syringe. As you can see in the video, make sure to completely expel the air, allowing the colors to fill the dampers. Note that the dampers have a clip. Simply lift the clip to release the damper. Please avoid using force to remove the dampers to prevent any damage. Now that we have fully assembled the printer, let's turn it on and wait for it to get ready. Once the printer is ready, go to the settings and perform a power clean. Then wait for the power clean process to complete. After the power cleaning is complete, simply print a nozzle check once again to see if your printer has been repaired. As you can see, the nozzle check printed after servicing the printer is completely different from the first one. The first nozzle check was blank, while the second one shows all the colors perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.